got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. Boy, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got troubles, and I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through. 'Cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too.
Yeah, I just wanted to get this out of the way. I was just trying to get, trying to get it all set up. Get it set up. How's it look?
Okay. Everything we do is beautiful. Shamrock is the best company in the world.
Yeah, man. You know that's good.
Okay, so we got some, like a gray looking little cabinet, filing cabinet going over here. Little rolly carts. I think that's.